Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hard candy with brown sugar. Begin by gathering brown sugar, corn syrup, water, a candy thermometer, flavoring, and a heavy saucepan. Heat gently, stirring until sugar dissolves, then stop stirring and boil to the hard crack stage around 300 degrees F. Remove from heat, add flavor and color, pour onto a greased sheet, and cool fully before breaking into pieces for safe storage. Start by combining brown sugar, corn syrup, and water in a heavy saucepan and warm slowly until sugar dissolves. Increase heat until the mixture reaches the hard crack range, watching a candy thermometer carefully and avoiding stirring once it boils. When the thermometer hits the target, remove the pan from heat immediately and add flavor and color. Pour the hot syrup onto a prepared surface, let it cool undisturbed, then break into pieces for serving. For the best flavor, stir in extracts, oils, or spices after removing the pan from heat so flavors stay bright and intact. If you want shaped candies, pour into silicone molds. For shards, pour onto a greased sheet and score as it cools. Let candy cool completely at room temperature, then transfer pieces to an airtight container to prevent moisture from softening them and to keep texture crisp for days to weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.